So a couple of months ago, I made a video about really dumb, stupid things that the luxury designers make. This is a rock that they sold in 2017, a large pebble with a leather strap for $840. And why 840? Why not 850? Why not 830? I wonder how much of it is the leather strap and how much is the rock. Like, if you were to just buy the leather strap, I bet you the price would be like $839.50. And today I want to do like the reverse of that video, and this is kind of like non-luxury adjacent things that I wish they did make. Like, so the first video was, why do you make this? And this one is like, why don't you make this? Let's have a little bit of fun with dreaming up things that luxury designers should make. You all are looking at the proud and shame-free owner of a $300 zip pouch. If you think I wouldn't buy any of these things on this list if given the opportunity, designers, you're failing us. So let's have a little bit of fun and get into this video. And by the way, I don't know what sequence this video is going up in, but yes, new hair. This is from a company called Boho Locks. This video is not sponsored or anything like that, but if in this time of self-isolation, if you are staying home, I hope you are, if you need both a new and low maintenance hairstyle, as well as a thing to do while we're hopefully staying at home, this was my thing and I love it. After doing it, I haven't had to touch it for like a week and a half, I guess. So highly recommend. I'm not a hair channel, but I know you guys are gonna ask, and yeah, I'll have the info for Boho Locks listed down below in the description box. I think I have a 10% off referral code, and yes, I toyed around with the idea of doing a tutorial, so I filmed part of my install process if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing. I know that that's not really what I do here, but why the hell not, right? Comment down below if you're interested in seeing that. This entire video was inspired by a comment I received below that video where I talked about dumb things that designers make. As it happens, Dior makes or made, I'm not sure if they're still available, they made reusable drinking straws. At first I was like, wait a minute, that's really stupid. I was like, no, this is a great idea. However, if you look at them, and I will leave them linked down below, why exactly are they made of glass? The whole point of them is being reusable so you carry it around. Do you really want to carry a little shard of glass inside of... That's a terrible idea, but I like where their heads are at. You know what this is? This is a case for a drinking straw that is foldable and magnetic. You could bring it out, you know, with you, carry it in this cute little case. Now imagine such a case had a Gucci monogram print on it. I did a poll in my Insta stories asking you guys about this. It was about 50-50 on people agreeing that it was either a cute, potentially eco-friendly flex and stupid as hell. So the jury is out on this. This is just an idea. If you agree or disagree, positive, negative, neutral, on any of these, comment down below. But I think we flex with the Gucci monogram on our reusable straw case, you know, pull it out of the bag, set it on the table, potentially contribute to less straws ending up in, you know, the ocean. I think that could be cool. One thing I do want to say, I do not believe, given the current situation, that the designer brands should be making a luxury or branded mass. I just really find it personally to be a little bit in poor taste. Now, one thing I do want to also mention is that another company I will link down below, it's called Amuse, that I actually have shopped with. They are actually doing a campaign where they are using dust bags that they've always had lying around, donating those around to be made into masks. They're being donated or repurposing fabrics and things like that. And we are having a little bit of fun with the designer branding. But again, I don't think that profiteering or glamorizing this is in particularly good taste. I don't know. I do have space in my heart for if the situation, you know, changes and this becomes something that we all have to do, then my mind could be changed on that. But for now, Nah. Anyways, I'm gonna link Amuse down below. They're a company I've shopped with and I've spoken about them before, but they are donating dust bags. You can send your dust bags to Amuse to be made into masks. They are for purchase and the money is being donated to get protective gear for our hospital workers. I'm gonna have details about that if you want to donate your dust bags to them. If you just want to shop, because they actually, if you look on their Instagram, they have really, really great stuff in their stories. Now that I've said that, we're gonna move on. So now we are gonna get back into my mini pochette and I'm gonna show you another thing that I think designers are really missing out on. That is purse hooks. Call me crazy, but I think the companies that make the purses should maybe also make hooks for the purses. Louis Vuitton, why do you make key charms and you don't make these? I wanna say over the course of my years scouring the pre-love market, I potentially think Louis Vuitton has made these in the past, but they should just become like a seasonal thing that they make. Next on our list of things I really wish designers made, the pop socket. I know I've said this a lot in videos recently, but we're gonna remind ourselves, because I can't help it, designer phone cases are a really bad, awful thing to buy. Don't buy a designer phone case. However, I think the pop socket, something that is what? Removable, interchangeable, useful, visible. They have logos on them anyway. Imagine a really cute gold one with the Christian Dior Montaigne CD logo. Hello. And yeah, until phones actually start coming with little handles and doodads like this, I think there's gonna be a market for these. So next is something that I just happen to really love that one designer is making, and that is Fendi. I'm talking about the Fendi short straps. Those are super cute and I want one so badly. They have this one that they make in velvet. It's just a really cute little add-on to a bag that you may already have. Again, I'm all about customization and in such a way that doesn't, you know, damage or like permanently alter your items. I think that it would be fun to be able to have another option in potentially carrying a bag. Oh yes, hello, designers. You know how you make these little great things that come with the items? These things called dust bags that you're meant to store your new luxury good in? Why not sell them? Now, yes, of course, you know, if you have a relationship with an SA, which not all of us do, yeah, you can go in and ask for one, and they usually, I think they just give them to you. But, you know, to make them available in your retail market, I think just wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. Ditto for leather care and cleaning supplies. Some brands actually do sell this, so props to them. This is from Balenciaga. I bought it for a bag that I no longer own, actually. That was the Balenciaga part-time, but this is just the leather nourishing cream, and I bought it for like 30 bucks. Comes in this cute little box, just a little care cream, leather nourishing cream from Balenciaga. And I haven't used this or taken it out of the box in years. It just kind of sits on my little storage where I keep all of my designer boxes on display. You all know I am a fan of the bag organizer. Without a bag organizer, this Givenchy bag, that is a bag that I use almost daily, obviously not now, would be completely unusable for me. I tried to use it without a bag organizer for a couple of months and I was ready to bash my head into a wall. You guys have seen this before. Bought it on Etsy from Original Club in black felt. If these companies can make custom inserts for your bags, I bet you could too. And just imagine for a second, you're sitting in store, making your purchase, drinking champagne, and instead of paying extra money, let's say, to have your name stitched into it, you're designing yourself a bag organizer to go inside of it. Make this happen. Next on my list are things that you do see floating around in the pre-love market. So they do exist, or they have existed before in luxury houses. Those are wrist straps, wristlet straps, camera straps. Again, they exist out there, but you know, and this is just personally, I guess, something that's just on my wish list at the moment. Think of all of the, you know, fancy vloggers that are out there that a lot of you guys follow. How cool would it be if they just had their little, you know, Louis Vuitton wrist strap for their little vlogging camera? Because I'll tell you that with my camera, There are many reasons I don't vlog. One non-insignificant one is that I don't want to just like be carrying it around in my hand because it's like literally a part of my livelihood, and I'm like neurotic about it dropping or breaking. So my camera typically stays home. It lives on its little tripod. Ooh, or maybe those little, not, I guess they're not called selfie sticks anymore, but like the little handheld tripod. Is that it? You guys know what I'm talking about. And they have existed in the past, and I think that they might be useful, potentially. Yeah. So instead of making dumb things like phone cases, I gave you guys, and you designers, if you're low-key watching this, please subscribe if you do. Do better. Make cool stuff. And for the love of God, stop making phone cases. Maybe if we stop buying phone cases, they'll realize that they're a really dumb thing to make, and especially make expensive. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave my video of the dumb things that they actually did make. It's the opposite video of this video. I'm gonna link right here, and I will see you guys in my next one.